Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to my codelibrary.net channel. In this video, I would like to talk you guys about how to use method or function in C# program. In the video, we start from the last one, and I will introduce you how to create function and explain why we use method or function in C# program. Now let's get started with the simple project. You open Visual Studio 20 and 22 IDE because I have existing project from the last one. And now you can see in this simple shortcode, and we practice in console application shortcodes. And firstly, you need to understand what is the function in program. So function is the instruction or building blocks or to perform instruction that you can use as a reusable code to implement any task in or to build block of instruction inside the program in order to perform any specific task. There are two types of method in program, and the first is a built-in method, and second is a user-defined method. But it's different from one to another program, because in C# user-defined, you can recognize method with parameter and non-parameters. And built-in method is the method that contain in libraries or class, or each class in the libraries of any programming language. And user-defined methods is a method with parameter and non-parameter. Built-in methods I cannot write detail, because method that you use in any program. And I will talk the second method is user-defined, because second method, user-defined method, is a method that we create and customize to use for own purpose, any of your purpose in program. And to get start create methods in program, some program call function and another program call methods. In C# program, you can call function as a methods. In order to create, firstly you need to understand the structure of how to create method in C#. Example, I want to create a method add, because I want to implement some tasks like perform arithmetic, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in program. It's a basic simple of how to perform basic arithmetic in mathematics by using program. Now I create with the integer methods, because I want to return type with methods as the integer. And after then you can put the name of method, such as add, and then you put the parameter inside, because I want to input something in parameter, such as parameter is you can declare parameter as a variable inside parenthesis of method. You can see integer a or integer b. After then you open brace and close brace, because you want to do something inside method. And then you can return something like return value a, because value a is a parameter that we input, and plus parameter b. I have one method. So in order to call method to use, you can call to anywhere inside the program file or outside the program file. Now I call inside main methods, because main method is the entry point of console application. I would like to read any value to perform calculation of arithmetic, such as addition. So now I can create the prompt to input some value, and then I will call a method to perform and read data and perform addition operation in C#. So I can declare age, or I can declare value 1, value 2, and the result as a parameter. Now I would like to read the data. I can create prompts, convert console.write line. Okay, console.write line, enter first value, and I need to read values from the user. And this is statement that we use to read data from input keyboard, user input data from keyboard, and read, after then assign the value to variables. And the second one is console.write line. Please enter second numbers, and I read the second parameter that apply to number 2. And then you can return the result. Result is maybe you can declare result already declare, but I can call result equals, and this statement I will call a method that I already create, and I will call this method to perform addition operations, just add. I can call methods add because I have method add. Maybe result equals something like add. Okay, I call this method maybe with errors, so we can see error object reference required for non-static field. Okay, you can declare this method with static because we will call this method without create the instance. So you can declare method with static keyword, so you can automatically call methods without create any object. Okay, now I can call this method such as add. I call this add method and apply something like I perform parameter that I will call value to perform as a parameter, value moist, value 2, and value 1, value 2. Okay. And then you can you call value 1 and value 2, and then maybe I want to output after perform operation such as a console.write line addition between a plus b. Okay, and equals. Now let's get started. Save the codes and try to run the result. Try to run application to test how the function work. Okay, in display console application, you put any values, number value 1, 12, number value 2, 12. Okay, the value, the result that take is 24 because I call the function that perform operation in addition. For another task, you can create any other methods that perform such as a subtract, and I can see subtract. Okay, perform any subtract operation such as static multiplication that perform multiplication, and other methods such as division that perform operation division for any operation. Okay, this is how to create and use method in C# program as a user-defined method. Okay, thank you everyone for watching. See you in the video.